We need to find 3 elements in the array, such that the first element is less than the second element, and the second element is less than the third element. To solve this problem, we will set n1 and n2 to infinity initially. Now we will iterate through the array. 7 is less than the current n1. Therefore we will assign it to n1. We have found n1. 1 is less than the current n1. Therefore we will assign it to n1. 2 is not less than or equal to the current n1. Therefore we have found a number greater than n1, which can be assigned to n2. We have found n2 as well. Now the only thing we need is n3, which is a number greater than n2. As soon as we find 1, we will return true. 0 is less than the current n1, so we will assign it to n1. Now, 3 is greater than n2. Therefore we have found n3 as well, and can return true. Now let's code the solution. We will initially set n1 and n2 to maximum value possible. Now during each iteration, we will check whether the current number is less than or equal to the current value of n1. If yes, we will assign the current number to n1. Else, if the current number is less than or equal to the current value of n2, we will assign the current number to n2. Also, during each iteration, we will check whether the current number is greater than the value of n2. If yes, we will return true. At last, if we were unable to find 3 numbers, we will return false. Let's run the solution. It's working. See you in the next video.